Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's a few reports coming out that internally at Microsoft, it would seem that the Windows team is slowly preparing a twist in our Windows 11 operating systems for those that use unsupported hardware. Already there were a few changes that were announced, but a lot of you, of course, are using Rufus to bypass some of these minimum requirements. There used to be a time when you could just invoke, /server, so that you would have a install that would not do TPM check, stuff like that. Now, it would seem that those loopholes are going to go away sometime during 2025. It is interesting to note that this coincides with also the fact that Windows 10 will be at end of support. So many now are thinking that even Rufus will not work anymore. The loopholes, the way that we modify or change a file so that it does not do any checks, apparently that would not work anymore. And that seems to be that Microsoft just doesn't want, tons of people from Windows 10 moving to Windows 11 unsupported instead. So I think you got to hang in there. If you are using a unsupported PC for Windows 11, you might be losing that ability sometime next year. And some say that it could be actually an implementation of the next big update, which would be 25H2 next year. So hang in there. I do have one unsupported PC here. I will be checking that out. And of course, if at some point there's no update possible, well, that could be Microsoft just saying, okay, now that Windows 10 is gone, nope, you got to buy a new PC or pay extended support for Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.